Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So looking at gold, we can see that on the 15-minute chart, gold started to trend at the moment. As there is a news coming later today on dollar, we could find significant trading opportunity on gold. Now before we discuss how we can trade gold in this lower time frame, let's quickly look at bigger picture, starting with the highest time frame on the monthly to see overall direction in the market. So from the monthly, we can see that gold is long term bull market currently in the monthly pullback. So if we look at this overall market structure on gold, we can see that the market has formed an inverted head and shoulder and then has got a bounce to the upside with a strong momentum. And what we can see that this is the monthly long week candle previous months, which is potentially we expected for the price to fill that monthly week, and we have seen that the market in fact has bounced up, has broken this monthly resistance, and again coming down for again another pullback. As this candle forming a long week at the top, we might see later a retest. As this is almost the end of the month, we might see now gold could try to retest the monthly support before it might bounce back up or drop down further. Now, if we look at the weekly chart to see a bit more clearer picture, we can see that weekly price action is potentially bearish. What we saw the previous week, there is a long bearish engulfer that has crossed this weekly high, crossed this weekly low, and the market has dropped completely to the downside with a long bearish engulfer, which in fact a potentially bearish price action, and we could see that gold is coming down to the weekly support to retest this level. Now looking at the daily chart to see how the market might be doing, from the daily we can see that there is a strong drop here, and this daily drop, what we have seen that a complete breakdown of the market structure, and after this breakdown, back to back 2 days of pullback, the market has reached that previous resistance zone, where we can see that this is a very important level of monthly and weekly resistance, where we saw the daily resistance as well. And from that zone, after back to back 2 days of pullback, gold started to drop again in the major direction of the trend, and we are expecting for gold to drop to this monthly support, expecting for the price to drop to the support before bouncing up or even breaking down further. As we see, this is a high liquidity zone. So let's drop down to the lower time frame. From the intraday, we can see that the market has reached that level where we expected to retest this 20 EMA, and from the zone the market started to drop again. And what I think that the price, as it is still maintaining a typical bearish market structure, we could see further downside on gold to retest this support or even breaking below before moving up further or even breaking down further to create a new lower low. So let's look at a day trading perspective. If we look at the 15-minute chart, where we can see that gold is in a downtrend, and we have seen a long channel here. From this bull flag, we saw that it failed to create a new higher high. Instead, after this consolidation, the market managed to break down, which in fact a break of structure and trending currently to the downside on the lower time frame. So this some of the resistance that we can see on gold to retest. If we see that gold again has grabbed a stronger liquidity from any of these local resistance, we can look for going short on gold with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure that you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.